tale unfolds before us. In a world filled with mystery and wonder, there is a legend carved into history. In a long time ago, in a village located by the river, there lived Mbok Rondo and her son named Jaka Kendil. He was a young man who was honest, hardworking, and had a sincere heart.
Where is Jaka? It's time for lunch. Jaka! Jaka! It's time for lunch.
Okay, Mbok. On the way.
They also had lunch together.
I will take a photo.
Mbok, this cooking is delicious.
Of course, Le.
Mbok, siapa? Bring you to the river later, Mbok. At least. Fishing.
Le. Okay. Then, can you find me Siamese fighting fish for me?
What is that for, Mbok? Do you want to sell to the market?
Oh no, Le. I just want to fight with Siamese fighting fish with the next neighbor.
Seriously, Mbok? Okay, then leave with me.
Okay. Be careful, Le. Don't to be late, okay?
Okay.
Jaka Kendil went to the river with fishing gear and buckets. After waiting for a long time for the hook not to get a fish, he heard giggling voice.
Huh? What is this sound? During the afternoon prayer, is there Mbak Kunti?
You look so weird. Oh, your pose so happy. Look at this. You look so... No, I'm seamless. Please, give me direction. I don't take a picture.
Okay. Alright. Let me direct. Let me direct.
Putri Melati and Putri Kenanga continued their photos activities with fun. Without the two dafters realized, Jaka Kendil was peeping and watching them behind the bushes. Jaka Kendil was fascinated by the beauty of the princess, and secretly Jaka Kendil photographed the princess, and then he went home. Jaka Kendil stalked the daftar Instagram and saw into the Mbok Rondo. Jaka Kendil kept looking at the photo on his cell phone, which featured a photo of Putri Melati who was very beautiful.
It's so pretty. Mbok. Come here. Come here. I'm here, Mbok.
What happened, Le?
Look at this, Mbok.
Privat, Le. Privat.
I'm sorry, Mbok. I am too excited. See this pretty scene, Mbok?
Yes, it's okay. But she's the daughter of the king. How you come to this picture?
Yes, Mbok. I take it when I was fishing.
Caka Kendil was silent for a while. Then he said,
I think Go Jaka wants to get married.
Would you like to marry, Le?
With one of daughter, please, Go.
Really? We are school people. Your shape body is like a bill. Does the doctor's king wants to marry you?
Go. Just call me once, Go. Please.
Okay. If you that much want, tomorrow we will go to the king.
with strong determination, Caka Kendil went to the kingdom with Mbok Rondo with sincere intention and high hopes. Until he arrived in the front of the palace, Caka Kendil and Mbok Rondo were allowed to enter the palace and were presented to the wise king. Humbly, he conveyed his intention to marry the king's daughter. The wise king smiled at the courage and honesty in Caka Kendil's eyes. However, in order to give approval, the king wanted to ask his daughter first about this matter. What's the matter for you to see me?
I'm here to propose one of your daughter to my son Charakandil, Your Majesty.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure, Your Majesty.
Kenanga, Melati, come in. Putri Kenanga and Putri Melati also entered.
What's going on, father?
My daughter, someone to propose you.
Which one to propose me, father?
Introduce yourself to my daughter.
I am Jarakendil, and this is my mother. I want to propose one of you.
Huh? This person? Jangan Gil? This is wrong, right? I don't want to marry him. Poor man. His body is weird. It's like a Jangan Kendil. Kendil?
Putri Melati just said nothing. How about you, Melati? Do you wanna be his wife?
No problem, Dad. But I wanna see his strange.
Are you sure, Melati?
Sure, Dad. I don't look his perfection, but I see her kindness and sincerity.
Alright, Melati. I will prepare your wedding. My daughter, you can go inside. Putri Melati and Putri Kenanga re-entered the house. That afternoon, the sky around the royal palace began to dim as the sun set, and the palace crowd began to subside. Inside the magnificent palace, the royal princess named Melati with light steps followed by Putri Kenanga, who was surrounded in seriousness.
Are you sure to marry him?
Yes, sis. What is problem?
I'm too surprised at you.
What wonder, sis?
How you can accept Jangan Kendil to marry?
What's over, sis? What's wrong with Chokandil? Chokandil is brave, polite, and honest young man. But his body is strange. But his face so like an innocent boy, sis.
Putri Kenanga left Putri Melati feeling distrustful of her sister's decision. Finally, Caka Kendil and Putri Melati carried out their wedding with great fanfare. After Caka Kendil married Putri Melati, their lives were filled with happiness and intimacy. However, in the midst of this happiness, they also surprised obstacles, one of which was Caka Kendil often disappeared suddenly and made Putri Melati anxious. On the other hand, Putri Kenanga always mocked her sister who had an ugly and strange husband like Kendil.
Where did you go, Kamas? Lately, he's really
Putri
sick.
Kenanga, who heard that, suddenly walked in.
Maybe your husband realized that he's ugly, like a Kendil. You are beautiful, like an angel. How come you want to have a husband like Jaka Kendil?
Putri Melati just listened quietly to the words of the sister.
Look this. You should be the man like this, handsome and valiant. It's not like your husband.
Never mind, sis. I wanna go home.
Putri Melati ran towards his room crying. Putri Melati cried in her room, then saw and held a candle-shaped hanger given by Jaka Kendil that she installed on her cell phone. And then Putri Melati opened her cell phone and paused her photo together with Jaka Kendil. But unexpectedly, Putri Melati even received hate comments from netizens who said that Jaka Kendil did not deserve to marry the beautiful Putri Melati.
Why everyone so mean to my husband? When my husband is so kind, sensory, and hardworking, why they are so evil?
Putri Melati also threw her cell phone. However, the cell phone was not damaged or broken. Instead, the hanger was broken. Suddenly, a handsome and mighty prince came to the Putri Melati.
Hani Melati.
Who are you? I don't know you. How did you get here? Stop! Don't get close. I don't know you.
Sorry to be asked. I am your husband. I am Jaka Kendil.
No, you lie. My husband is not like you. Looks your face and look your body is too okay. But I'm not worthy. Now you go. I'm still waiting my husband for come back to me. Don't you understand?
How come my wife is so fierce now? But before it was romantic, like Romeo and Juliet.
Hey, you are too seamless. What are you saying?
Well, I will tell you what really happened to me. I was actually a praise for high school wizard when I was child. Then my parents go WhatsApp that I have to ensure and cared for by Borondo. And I will return to my original form when there is woman will look inside and break the candle string that I gave you. And there you are, Melati.
I don't believe it. It's true that my husband gave the hanger to me. But you could heard that from someone else?
Well, if you don't believe it, I will bring you to Borondo.
Putri Melati did not believe what Jaka Kendil said. Jaka Kendil also invited Putri Melati to ask Mbok Rondo in front of the king and Putri Kenanga. After that, the prince invited Putri Melati, Putri Kenanga, and the king to come visit Mbok Rondo to ask and confirm what really happened.
What exactly happened, Mbak?
Yes, what's going on? How could Jaka Kendil be the charming prince?
Well, as Jaka Kendil told me, I was a mother adopted of Jaka Kendil. I will take care of him since he was a child because of the curse that he got. And the curse will disappear if there is a woman who loves him silently. And Jaka Kendil's real name is Prince Paji Asmara.
So, is that true? You are right? I'm so sorry. I'm not believing you.
It's okay. It's trying it.
Hearing that, Putri Melati also believed that the prince was her husband, is Jaka Kendil. This legend teaches us that sincere love and depth of heart are the most important in a relationship. It reminds us to look beyond physical appearance and appreciate the goodness and beauty that lies within a person. So, after Jaka Kendil marries the king's daughter, they live happily together and overcome any obstacles that may exist.